scanners right now. Let's get to work and find Kevin. You'll have to clear out the Zeds. Get to the zone! Good, but speed it up. I can see the gas is still pouring in.
Time to play. And another one! No more!
Get to the console. It's ready. Good. The gas is pumping back outside. Wait. The gas is coming from inside the embassy. What? No, I have boots on the ground. They're in there now. No. Hello? We have a nuke-sized problem.
On board. That wrong?
My pistols that makes boom.
Zeds encroach. I must close this pod soon.
Now uncrap yourselves.
Reloading. Let's talk. They'll be on us any second.
Counting down from 10. Then I close the pod.
It's underground. My pistols that makes boom.
I see H-pads on my system. They're outside, but we need to know more about Kevin Jr.'s genetic profile. Get outside, brave the gas, and bring those pads to the data terminal. Fast! That pad's active!
Gotcha, beastie. Watch it, Simon.
Like I'm on fire.
Get that pad to the terminal!
You feel that?
It's uncloaked.
Found a weapon here.
I am revived.
That's one! Get me the others! Good! That's activated too!
It burns.
Bring that pad to the data terminal! Fast!
Here's the level. Watch it, there's a close one around. None shall escape me.
Good! There's one more pad out there! It's activated! No! Don't launch that missile! Give me 5 minutes! He's here! We need to hurry this up!
It's poison.
Someone help me. Damn it! Invisible bitch again!
I Nice.
It burns!
Where are those H-pads?
I am revived!
Oh, my damn ears! Watch me. I'm reloading. I can't see it!
The room with the refreshments.
Easy.
You look like shit.
That pad has to get to the terminal too.
That's good stuff right there. Know where that came from?
Nice.
It burns! What is this stuff? The brew that refreshes.
I failed you. I failed you all.